everyone, this is Anusha from ZTechno, and today we are going to talk about contact tracing, which is one of ServiceNow's safe workplace applications. The ServiceNow contact tracing application helps employers minimize the spread of infectious diseases such as COVID-19 by recognizing on-site workers who may have been in touch with the infected employee, and also the employer is provided with info on the number of recorded cases and symptoms at the workplace, and a list of potentially exposed employees is collected from a number of data sources such as badge activities used for when and how many times the employee has entered the building. This demo by impersonating as health screener for requesting an entry to a particular location, which is Broadway East, and the employee name would be, the temperature would be 103. When we submit this request, there is a pop-up called screen submitted, Alva cannot enter. The employee whose entry is denied due to symptoms of COVID-19 or high temperature, then the contact tracing of particular employee is initiated. Impersonating as Alva, who has the symptoms of COVID-19 or a user, he can only view his case task, and he can also upload his daily contact logs through My Daily Contact Logs module. This user has only limited access to the application. Alva can enter his daily contact logs by clicking on Daily Contact Logs module. He can fill out the list of employees who met him on the daily basis. On submitting this, Alva can view his daily contact logs in My Recent Items. David Liu is a contact tracer manager who will have access to create a new case, to view all the cases, and to assign a cases to particular user. He can also manage badges and badge readers. He has access to modify certain admin properties. Now, David Liu can create a case on Alva on clicking on Create New Case. Here the reported person would be Alva, case manager would be David Liu, and the reported source would be Health Screen. We can check the confidential checkbox to keep his data confidential. On submitting this form, a new case is created. David Liu can also view this case and case assigned to me because this case is assigned to David Liu. David Liu can also create a diagnostic request on clicking on New button. The diagnostic request form consists of a diagnostic number and initiated by field. We have a few checkboxes here, namely use location, use Outlook meetings, use workplace reservations, use badge readers, and use employee daily logs. These checkboxes refers to those particular tables where the user information is stored by tracing the contacts of Alva. On submit of this form, David Liu can now run diagnostics by clicking on Run Diagnostics button. On run of these diagnostics, all the impacted users who are in contact with Alva are shown here. All the who are added manually are also shown here. The total impacted users are shown in all impacted users related list. On selecting all the impacted users and choosing Add Users to Case, all the users who are impacted by Alva is been added to this case. David Liu can create tasks for particular users. In the case task section, we can see all the created tasks. On open of one record and selecting particular locations, we can assign this task to Ellen, who has a role of contact tracer. On updating this task, impersonating as Ellen, who is a contact hacker, can view all the tasks which are assigned to her. On opening one of the tasks, record, and on clicking on Start Work UI action, that means Elaine has started working on a particular task, which further displays a UI called Take Survey. On clicking on Take Survey, Elaine starts taking surveys of the contacts who are in contact with Alva. These surveys are completely customizable. On submitting this survey, Elaine can also add tasks to the visual task board. And this visual dashboard is totally customizable and makes the work easier. After taking the survey and submitting it, this task follows its own workflow and the state gets into closed. As discussed, Contact Tracing Manager can modify the properties which are in the administration. These properties includes contact tracking data retention period and the number of records to be processed at a time and so on. In this way, contact tracing is used to maintain user data privacy, setup of configuration contact tracing, send notifications, track employee daily details and logs, to follow up exposed employees and to take surveys. In these phase of pandemic, contact tracing application helps employers and employees in the organization to maintain and protect their workplace and workforce so easily. For scheduling a detailed demo, please reach out us to the following links. Thank you.